In this demonstration, we're going to take a look at the timeline feature that's part of the Power2Projects application for Sage SalesLogix. So we've navigated to our test project and we've selected the timeline tab. What you can see is that the timeline is actually made up of what's called a mashup, and a mashup represents lots of different pieces of data from different tables and different parts of the CRM solution, but it's all rolled up into one consolidated window across a calendar. And so at the bottom of the screen you can see that we're spanning August through November of this year, and in a little window down in the center of the screen we see some little blue tick marks that represent the amount of data that falls into that particular date range. The fatter the line, the more data that resides in that particular time slot. So I can take my mouse and actually slide this calendar back and forth to look for older data or newer data in case I saw tick marks across the timeline either backwards or forwards. In this case, all the data is falling into the window that we're currently viewing, and what we can see is that back here in early August, mid-August, there was a task that spans several days, in fact goes all the way into the end of September, that deals with setting up the project team and conducting various kickoff meetings. The longer the blue line, the longer the duration of that particular task. As we scroll up to the top of the screen here, or click up to the top of the screen, we can also see there's things on here like project notes, and if you click on the note you can actually see what the note itself is without having to open any other screens. And we can do the same thing for tasks. We can click on those tasks and see what the particular task is, and if there's any time slips or hours entered in that particular task, those show up as well. And so this is very similar to what you would get in a Microsoft project Gantt chart, and can help you in your planning and strategizing for delivering a project for your customers. So that's a demonstration of the timeline tab that's standard and part of the new Power2Projects application for Sage SalesLogix. Thanks for watching.